Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Mela app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Mela is a recipe manager app designed to help users organize, save, and access their favorite recipes effortlessly. The app integrates features like recipe categorization, meal planning, grocery list creation, and cloud sync across devices. It also supports advanced search, personalized bookmarks, and the ability to add your own recipes for quick reference. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is widely appreciated by home cooks and food enthusiasts alike for its clean interface, fast navigation, and regularly updated content. It allows users to quickly find recipes, plan meals, and track ingredients. Many users also like that they can sync their recipes across devices and customize the app to match their cooking style. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While some features are free, full access to premium functionalities requires a subscription, which may not be affordable for everyone. There are occasional complaints about minor glitches or slow syncing, and certain features may feel limited compared to using other full-featured meal planning apps. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Mela app may be worth using if you're a home cook or food enthusiast looking for a convenient, mobile-friendly recipe organizer. It shines in ease of use, meal planning capabilities, and recipe management. However, if you're not ready to invest in premium features or need a more extensive recipe database, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.